I'm back with another video, and I am going to make slime without a bowl and without a spoon. And so it's going to be super sticky and gross. But if you like the channel, you will subscribe today. Give me 15,000 likes to Talisa, life of Talisa, and if you think it's cool. So now we're gonna add the glue. So I have to put it on the table. See, it's gonna be like so. No, it's too much. But it's spreading everywhere. I don't know if this was a good idea to do this. How do I open this? So I'm just gonna get my mom to do this. Oh, good, quick. Just drop a little tiny bit. I'm gonna. Now what I think I should be like touching it. It's like very confusing. And I'm going to be doing this because I think I shouldn't have done this. I should have done it with a bowl. Ew, it's everywhere on my hands. This is what's gonna stop it spreading everywhere. Get it back everywhere. I hope this can come off. Because if it can't, I am not doing slime ever again. I don't know what she put in there, but it's not looking good. I heard it can come off like coins and things. She put more in. Too sticky. Yeah, she made it so sticky, so it can come off my hands and the table. And I think that's it, because it's too much. That's like, I'm not saying this is the end of the video, because I haven't even shown you how it's gone too. See, she's made it. Yeah, she's putting some on my hands. So the same thing. Like this. Gold, maybe. Powder, more powder. See? Slime, look. Slime. I'm playing with like one slime, but I can make 1,000 because it's too much. Come on. Look, slime. How am I going to take? And then I'm going to a little bit play with it, and then I'm going to go put it in the bin. See, like, water's coming out. There's lots of water in mines. Sometimes they do Korean something, because in the Being Busy challenge, Korean was absolutely. And we have this here. But I think my mom needs to take it off. Okay. This is terrible. 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 I know we should have did it in a bowl, but it was all my mom's plan. See? Too much water. The water should come. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk to you guys about doing this. It's awesome. It can't burn me. Yeah, because the other one with the everything, because it burned me. It was burn me. Burning me. Even you can make an awesome thing. If you made slime at home, do not do this at home, kids. Ask your adult or anybody who looks after you. And oh, if you're watching this, please don't kill the animals, because the turtles and sharks are the best one ever. Now it's not gonna look. Oh. See, look at my hands. And I can get this off easily. The other one I couldn't get off because I didn't use the powder that Coin and Tay used. I didn't use that. That's why it was hard. See, look. It can come off you very easily. Oh yeah, because just about now, what other video do you want me to do? But this is not just the end. My mom thinks just because she wants me to put this in the bin. No way. No, she's not going to turn off the camera that easy. Because I only did it for like 10 seconds. And look. Some things. See, that's in there. The whole time now I've been playing with it. See, look. It's even going. It's even going that way. See? My mom's cleaning this up. She's cleaning it. She's cleaning it up. I have to say yes. No, she's cleaning it. It's clean. She's cleaning this. See, look. I used a big space. Look how much water. Yo, when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And no, my mom's not turning this camera off. Because this is just the beginning. It's already just started. Because I am going to be doing this stretchable. If you're doing this, you might want to do this. See, look in the side of it. Don't forget to like down below and subscribe. Bye from Lisa's channel. See, look. It can come off. I think this was a bad idea to do this, so I'm gonna make my mom clean up all the mess. So bye guys, see you later on Talisa's. And what do you want? Live for Talisa. And what next video you want me to do from the slime?